Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to Sukhothai in Thailand. Today, Ann and I are gonna go for a run. Ann is already running. She's way ahead of me. And we're gonna check out some of the historical sites. This is a UNESCO World Heritage site. There's a lot of ancient ruins. It was once the former capital of Thailand. So we're gonna go check out what this park has to offer. I better start running because Ann is getting further and further ahead. Let's go. Well, I tell you what, it is a beautiful morning so far. We have the sunrise behind us, hidden by trees, but I think it's gonna be fantastic once it pops up a little bit higher. It's pretty quiet. There are some people here, but it's not crowded with tourists so far, which is nice. Which is one of the reasons we like getting out early in the morning for a run like this. Really peaceful. We're at our first sort of temple ruin. We're gonna go run inside. Let's check it out. On our way to the next little, looks like a pagoda with maybe a nice Buddha. And we're along this nice little, I guess kind of pond, man-made pond. I like that one behind me. It's really cool. It's got a nice Buddha statue. Really pretty. Looks to the sun in the morning. I think that's awesome. Buddha facing the sun in the morning. We're gonna go run across the little bridge here. Nice. Ann and I don't really know where we're going. We're just kind of zigzagging through the park, and anytime we see one of the big kind of temple ruins, we're going right for it. And we've got another one in our sights, and it's a big pagoda. I think it looks cool from here. I think we're pretty lucky to be here right now. It's a great time of the year. It's only 20 degrees Celsius right now, which is like, I think around 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's perfect running temperature. Wouldn't you say?
Correct.
Correct. Okay everyone, that is running here at Sukhothai. My name is Andy, I am the travel runner. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, or consider subscribing if you're new to my channel. I don't know where I'm going to be traveling to next, but wherever I go, I'm going to be running, and of course, I hope to see you there. Bye everyone!